Hi everyone, my name is Emily. I'm the director of the SBH Center for Culinary Medicine and Teaching Kitchen, and I'm bringing the Teaching Kitchen to you. And today I'm going to show you how to make a kitchen sink salad. So a kitchen sink salad is essentially a salad where we're just throwing whatever we have on top. It's going to be delicious, and it's also going to be really filling and satisfying. So we are going to start with some iceberg lettuce as our base. Iceberg lettuce gets a lot of hate. I like it. It's really nice on top of sandwiches because it is very crunchy, and it does last a long time in the fridge. So I have this left over. Honestly, I think this is 2 weeks old at this point, and you can see that this top leaf is looking a little bit sad, but if I peel that away, everything underneath still looks pretty good. So I can go ahead and use this as the base for my salad. I don't have to buy new salad greens. I can just use what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this up. I just like to cut it in half first. Cut that bottom off. I like to make sure when I'm making salads, if I'm cutting lettuce, that they are nice bite-sized pieces, just so it's a little bit easier to eat. And this is going to be a very big salad, so either for one very hungry person or two pretty hungry people. I'm going to go ahead, put that in my bowl. This is definitely going to be a salad for two people. So I have my lettuce here, and now I'm just going to add my toppings. And my toppings are really just whatever I had on hand, any leftovers I had in the fridge, anything that I think is going to make a really filling salad. So here I have some quinoa, just left over from dinner last night. I really like putting grains on top of a salad. It helps to make it a lot more filling. That quinoa has a lot of fiber and protein to it. So that fiber, that protein, those are what is going to make your salad filling. So I'm going to put about half a cup of quinoa on top. You could always put more if you want to. So I have that. And then I also have some roasted carrots, also left over from dinner last night. Roasted vegetables are really great on top of a salad, cold or warm, they're good either way. And then I have some chickpeas. These are just canned chickpeas that I roasted in the oven at 450 for about 15 minutes. You could eat them straight out of the can if you want to. I just like roasting them because it gives them a little better flavor, it crisps them up a little bit, adds some texture to our salad. These also are going to add a lot of fiber and protein to our salad and make it a lot more filling. I'm not putting any meat on here just because I don't have any cooked already, so I'm going to rely a lot on these chickpeas to give me that protein that's going to make this nice and filling. So this is about half a cup, 3/4 of a cup of chickpeas that I put on there. And then I also like to add some pickles. So I have some pickled red onions. If you're interested in learning how to make these, you can watch my video on pickled red onions. I like adding these to a salad just because they add some crunch and some really interesting flavors as well. You get that nice pop of acidity in every few bites. So put those on top. And then I'm also going to put just a spoonful of hummus. I have the hummus in my fridge. Just like my chickpeas, it's going to add some protein, add some fiber. Some people even like to use hummus as a salad dressing. So I'm just going to put a big scoop of that on top. And I'm going to finish with some toasted sesame seeds that I have. I like toasting the sesame seeds because it brings out some really interesting flavors. You can use any toasted nuts or seeds that you like or that you have on hand. Again, we're just adding more interesting flavors, more textures, so this salad is going to be anything but boring. And that's it. I'm getting a lot of protein from my quinoa, from my chickpeas, from my hummus, so it's going to be very filling. And I have a lot of interesting flavors and textures as well. So all we have to do is top it with some salad dressing. Again, if you're interested in learning how to make this, you can watch my video on making a simple vinaigrette. And I'm going to put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of dressing. Just going to drizzle that all around. And then all I have to do is toss this all together and I have a really filling salad. And it's going to be anything but boring. I'm not going to be hungry a half an hour after I eat this. This is going to be nice and filling for me. So Again, my name is Emily. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you next time.